Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Infosec Pat. So we're going to be continuing the Linux challenge with TryHackMe. So we did flags 1 to 10 in the Linux challenge. So what we're going to be doing is 11 to, we're going to actually be doing task 2. Task 3, I'm sorry. We did task 2 in the first video. We completed all of these. Now we're going to do task 3. So we're going to be doing flags 11 to 19 in this video. So, and then we'll do task 4 and task 5 in different videos, okay? So, if you remember where we were at last time, what we're going to be doing is getting back to where we were. And let's open up a command shell. And we still have our flags. I haven't closed this out. So if we do flag 11, right? This is actually flag 11. So let's go ahead and get this done, right? And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Please subscribe and hit the little bell so you get more notifications. That'll be awesome. And we just have fun on this channel, just doing some different variety of technologies. From now I'm getting into like these capture flags, TryHackMe. I might do some videos on Hack the Box and all that good stuff. So I make different various videos in the IT security and in IT in general. All right, so welcome if this is your first time here. So what we're going to be doing is flag 11. So it just says run the command flag 11, locate where your command alias is stored. Okay, so it doesn't give you a hint here. Remember last time some questions give you a hint. In this case, it doesn't. So if you don't know where the location is, Google is everyone's best friend. And I actually Googled it for us just before I started the video. So Linux and Unix alias command tutorials with examples. So obviously there's a whole bunch of examples here. There's why create a shell alias, etc. But we're going to be focusing on the .bash rc file. Okay, so what we can do is run cat space bash rc. So let's go ahead and do that. First we have to SSH to it, because I did forget to SSH to it. So let's SSH to, I guess we can go to Bob at, let me see the IP address. I don't even know the IP address of this machine. Let's go down. All right, so it's 10.10.225.11166. All right, and we'll say yes. And I think his password was Linux rules. Perfect. All right, cool deal. So now we're on that machine. We're SSH'd in. We're good to go. So first of all, we can try to do locate flag, just like I always like to start off. Obviously, there's not going to be any location because, like it says, it's a alias. So where was it stored? So it was in the .bash rc. So we can cat .bash rc. And we can see in here the flag number 11 is right here. So it's the B4B A05. So that's the answer right here. I already filled all this stuff in, but this is just a walkthrough and a little write-up on how we find these flags. Okay, so flag 11 is done. Let's move on to flag 12. All right, so let's minimize this. We can clear this out. All right, so flag 12. Flag 12 is located where the MOTDs are usually found on the Ubuntu OS. What is flag 12? All right, so if you don't know what MOTD is, message of the day. If you're a Linux guy, you have to add the message of the day when you log into a router or a switch or whatever. But we could try to locate. Let's do an ls. Let's see if flag 12 is in here. Nope. So let's just do locate flag 12. And we can't find it. Okay, so what we're going to do, if you don't know where this is, we can go ahead and Google it as well. Message of the days. So let's just go to Google where is message of the day in Ubuntu? Okay, let's just Google it, and we can see nothing here. All right, so we found something here. So ls, so it's in etc slash updates dash message of the day dot d. All right, so let's go back here and just do that. Let's cat. So we're gonna do etc, and it was update dash message of the day, and then let's see. Okay, let's just do. You know what? Let me do this. Let's cd into there. So we're gonna do etc, and then update mo. All right, so let's do an ls in here. So we have a few files in here. So what we can do is cat. Let's do the first one, 00 header. All right, let's see if there's anything in here. Yep, it's right here. Flag number 12. So it's been about 2 weeks or something that I done these challenges. So it's, I don't remember it all the time. So this is like I'm doing it again. So I'm trying to find these flags just as like the first time, like you guys. So flag 12 is 01687, and it's right here. 01687. So we got flag 12. Okay, so let's put done here. All right, flag number 13. Okay, let's go find this bad boy. All right, so let's go ahead and clear this, and let's go back to the root of Bob and do an ls. All right, cool. Whoops, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to clear it. All right, so we're up to 13, right? So in 13, let's go ahead and see what it says here. Find the difference between two script files to find flag 13. All right, so let's hit the hint here. The command diff might come in handy. All right, so it's pretty much just saying use this file. Use a diff command. So if we do diff-help, let's see what kind of options we get here. Okay, so we get a whole bunch of options. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do an ls. We can see where is flag 13. It's not here. So let's see. Okay, right there. So let's flag 13 ls. All right. So now let me clear that and do that again. ls. So we have two scripts in here, script 1 and script 2. So it's pretty much telling us to find the difference between the script files. Okay. So what we're going to do here is type diff script 1 and script 2. All right, so the flag is right here, 3383F, etc. So this is the flag for number 13. As you see, we can use the diff command, and it gives us the flag right here. All right, so that's number 13. So we can mark that as done. Okay, flag 14. Let's go on to flag 14. All right, so where on the system are the logs typically stored? Find flag 14. All right, so if you don't know where the logs are normally stored, the logs are normally stored in var log. But if you don't know, let's just go ahead and Google it really quick, because Google is everyone's best friend. Where is log files stored in Linux? And we can see, let's just go ahead and click on this. And right here, var log. Okay, so let's go ahead and see, what is it now? Okay, so fair enough. All right, so let's go ahead and cat. First of all, let's do this. Let's cd into var log. All right, let's do an ls. All right, so we see here some files. We have 14, flag 14, okay? So now if we do cat flag 14, there's a whole bunch of jibber jabber in here, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and try to grep some stuff. All right, so let's go ahead and let me clear this out. Oh, it's all the way at the bottom, right here. Let's clear this, and let's go ahead and type that again. So all the way at the bottom here, we see the flag 71CA, etc., etc., etc. Okay, so that is right here. So we got flag 14, so that's done. Let's go ahead and go on to 15. All right, let's go ahead and minimize that. Let's clear this, and we're going to do number 15 now. Can you find information about the system, such as a kernel version, etc.? And let's just go ahead and back to the root. So, right, we're on Bob's home. So it's saying, can we find the information about the system? So let's hit on the hint. So it's asterisk release. So pretty much what this is saying, if we cat etc release, but not that. Let's do OS release. Okay, this will give us the operating system release in here. So obviously it's asking us to get the system, but if you look at this hint, it's saying asterisk. So pretty much do everything before. So see how we have OS. So if we do the asterisk, this will give us everything. So you can see right here, flag 15 is right here. So we're able to get flag 15. Okay, so flag 15 is done. And let's go on to flag 16. All right, hopefully you guys are enjoying this walkthrough. It's a pretty easy one, but it's fun. You know, it's all good. All right, so now we're up to 16, right? 16. So flag 16 lies within another system mount. So this can be a little tricky, right? Because it says system mount, you know, let's go ahead and just Google that really quick. Where is the system mount in Linux? Okay, so usually it is, let's see if we can just click on this guy. No. Let's just go back to all, and let's see how to mount and dismount and all that good stuff. So it's usually in media. Let's see if we can see it any in here. Yeah, media. So let's go back. All right, so now let's go ahead and do ls, because we want to list the directory, because we want to find everything that lies in the mount. So what we can do really quick, before we can do that, we can just do ls, and first we can do is cd into media. Let's do that. Whoops. cd to media. ls I meant. So there's only one folder in here, right? So we could do cd to f, ls, cd to l, ls, cd into a, because there's only one ls, and then we can cd into g, ls. This is a long way. Which file is in here? Number 1. So let's cd to 1, ls, cd to number 6, ls, cd into is, ls, and there goes the flag. Okay, so this is going to be the flag for number 16, right? Number 16 is the CAB4, B7, CAE, etc. All right, so let's go ahead and cd back to the root. Okay, so now we got number 16. This one is done. All right, so flag 17. We only have a few more on this one. This one's not going to be too long, thank God. So log into Alice's account and get flag 17. Her password is TryHackMe. So let's copy this. I want to throw this in here. Obviously, we have user whoops. I just want to put this in our notes. This is going to be our write-up. Alice, and then her password is TryHackMe123. All right, so that's easy enough. So now what we can do is get into Alice's account. So we can su Alice, and it's TryHackMe123. Now we're in Alice's. Now we can do pwd. All right, so let's go cd. Now we're in Alice's stuff, Alice's account. So let's clear this, pwd. Now we're in Alice's home directory, okay? So now let's get started. So now we're logged into Alice. Now we can do an ls really quick, see if flag 17. Perfect, flag 17 is there. So let's cat flag 17. And bada bing, here we go. 89D, and this is right here. Perfect, awesome. So we're able to find 17. Let's go ahead and do flag 18. And let's see, find the hidden flag 18. All right, so 18 is hidden. Let's do an ls. All right, so there's nothing there. So let's do an ls-al to see any hidden files. So we can see flag 18 is right here. So if we do cat.flag18, bada bing, it's right there. C6522BB, and it's right here. Perfect. Last but not least, flag 19. Okay, so flag 19 is, let's go ahead and minimize this, and it's read the 2345th line of the file that contains flag 19. Let's clear this, let's do an ls, and flag 19, okay? So it gives us a hint. Let's see the hint. The C command can help you with this. So if we do scd-help, let's see what kind of options we get. Okay, so we can write scd space -n, so we can do a silent, okay? And now we know we will have to do the 2345th line, so we can do 2345p, and then flag 19, because that's the name of the file. Perfect. Let me clear it, and let me just put that command back up here. So it's scd space -n for silent, and then the 2345 line of that code, of that file. So that's it right here. And I'm going to give you the whole file and show you that. So it's right here, 490E. So it's done. All right, so we're done. Thanks for tuning in. But before I let you guys go, I want to go ahead and just take out the. Let me just cat flag 19. Okay. So you see, it gives a whole bunch of flags here, right? So what we just did, we just only went to the 2345th row. All right. So if we do, for an example, if we do, all right, let me clear this out. Let me clear this. So now let's go ahead and put this command again, okay? So you see that's our file for, this is the flag for 19, okay? So if I do the up arrow and I say, okay, I want the 46th row, boom, it's something different, you see? So it's asking only for this specific row in this file, and that's the flag, all right? So that concludes this video of all the Linux functionalities in the Linux Challenge. Hopefully this has been informative for you guys. Hopefully it's helped you. If you have any comments or questions, just leave it in the comments below. Hit me up on social media, join my Discord. If you have any questions, there's multiple ways to contact me. And until next time, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thanks again, and I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.